Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I'm going to be reviewing and trying out this new makeup. It is by Maybelline. This is a collaboration with Gigi Hadid. My friend Karen, thank you Karen, sent me all of the collaboration makeup, and we're gonna go ahead and test it out and see if this collection is good. She said it was on sale. It was a really good price on Amazon, so she got it all and she gave it to me. So what we have here today is this is the eye contour palette. Very, very cool packaging. You pull it out, this is what it looks like, very sleek. And we open it up. Now, when I opened it up, it just seems very basic, I guess you could say. Very small, actually very, very small, but it looks like it's very basic. Are they good? Are they worth the money? I don't know. We're gonna see in a minute. This here is the East Coast Glam Lip Kit / Erin. Looks like it's a lip pencil and a lipstick. And then over here, we have, what is this called? This is called Fiber Mascara. Look at the packaging though. Come on, this is really really cool packaging, that I can say. I'm gonna be trying out her brushes as well. So we have a few, they actually look these two look the same. Just an angled brush, and this looks like a pointed eyeshadow brush. Okay, so let's go ahead and just jump straight to that video. I'm going to zoom the camera in really close to my eyes so you guys can see whether this is worth it or not. It has a little bit of fallout, you guys can see right here. I mean, actually it's a lot of fallout, as you can see. And it's kind of just touch it and it falls apart. You guys can see it just kind of fell all over the box. Place this all over the actual eyelid. So I like this brush because I think the angle of it is really easy to get, like if you're going to do a cut crease or you want to get like that smooth curvature line like that, how you guys can see. It's actually, the shape is very nice. I'm going to go to the next color with this gray. Okay, so what I'm going to do with this gray is I want to pack it onto the corner right here. Now the two brushes that I have, I don't actually recommend these for, you know, normally like when I do the corners or the windshield wiper motion in the crease, I have a fluffy brush. These I feel are like more packer brushes that Karen got me. Just kind of see before we put it on, how black is it? Not very black. Let's try it again. So it says it is black, and that's what you get. Here is what it looks like, the double tubed. It says apply mascara first. My favorite type of mascara wand, and then apply the white fibers on top. Before it dries, go over to the other side and get the fibers. Look at these white fibers. They're kind of just going everywhere in the air, but they are attaching to the lashes. Okay, go back with the black mascara. Try to get those little white, you guys can see it at the edges of my lashes. Oh my gosh, so those those white fibers are all on my actual eyelid. Really thick and super long. Look at this, they're like ridiculously long. My lashes fell because I actually need to have waterproof mascara. They fell. You guys can see how long they are. Only issue I would have with this is that those fibers get on your eyelid and then they fall in the back of your lash. Okay guys, so what did you think of the mascara? Like I said, they are very long. My lashes just tend to fall straight or down if I don't have waterproof mascara. Now, the mascara alone on this tube was amazing because when I put the first coat on, it acted almost like a waterproof mascara, and they stayed up because immediately, if I'm not wearing, almost immediately when I put a non-waterproof mascara on, they fall down, and those didn't with the first coat of the mascara. Now, what do I really think? What are my thoughts? I'm going to say that I loved the mascara. Now, I do think this would be a better formula if the fibers were black. But I understand why they wanted to make them white, so you could actually coat them thoroughly and see. My problem is that the fibers kind of go everywhere. You saw, I mean, like my eyelid was completely covered with white little fibers every time I did it, and they kind of fly in the air. Now, is it a good mascara? I'm gonna say it's almost identical to that other brand that came out with fiber, Unique. Unique came out with a fiber mascara. I'm on it with a fiber mascara. I'm honestly going to say that it's it's almost like, it feels like it's almost the same formula, except this one has white fibers. Anyways, let's go ahead and just try this lip product. The brushes, they're good. They're good. They're not the best, but they're actually pretty good, you know, for packer brushes. Not blending brushes, not all this stuff, but packer brushes. In the color Erin and the lip liner that comes with it. It's a beautiful color. Wow, this is a beautiful pencil. You see this? Look, like hardly any pressure. And just glides. Wow, that's a beautiful, beautiful pencil. Try out this color. I have they're fragranted. That I couldn't tell you what it is. It smells like vanilla a little bit. Now this color is a little bit too dark for me, but the formula feels great. And the lip liner was amazing. Now, overall, what do I think of these products? The eyeshadow palette, no, just completely sucked. Okay, the fiber mascara, the mascara is great. The fibers are a tad bit pain in my butt, okay? The lipstick, yeah, you know what? Looks good. And the brushes are pretty decent packer brushes. So, even though I look all like half my face is done in this video, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. It's my honest review. Normally I don't watch other people's reviews. Occasionally I will, but I have not watched any on these products. So this is my honest review. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button, little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.